Hi, good day, everyone. This is Jay from Pageant Trend, and obviously, I'm here with one of the most beautiful candidates of this year's Miss Universe Philippines 2024, and she is from Leyte. I'm here with Angel. Hi, Angel.
Hello, Mama J, and hello, Pageant Trend.
Ayan, so how are you right after the preliminary competition?
I'm hungry. Kasi di ako kumain ng masyadong madami
Mm,
before ako lumabas for the preliminary competition. Kasi di ba may swimsuit, so I
yeah.
need to limit yung pagkain na kakainin ko din.
Grabe yung sacrifice din no
Mm,
pag preliminary competition.
Pagod, puyat. Pero I think if nag-enjoy ka naman on stage, everything is going to be worth it.
So how was it so far?
It was a memorable experience,
Mm-hmm.
walking on the Miss Universe Philippines stage wearing the sash, wearing lete across my chest is indeed an experience that I will treasure for the rest of my life. So I'm just so grateful for the opportunity.
And of course, for the benefits of our followers and viewers, syempre, hindi ka namin pa masyado kilala. So,
Mm-hmm.
could you please tell us more about you?
I think many people aren't aware that I'm a two-time survivor because when I was born, my mother suffered from a medical condition called meconium stain,
Mm-hmm.
or in layman's term, it's long labors. So in 2013 as well, our
Mm-hmm.
province,
Yes, our
was
province.
devastated with the super typhoon Yolanda. So ever since then, I've been just so really grateful with life, and that's why I was named Angel.
Wow, bongga. Kaya pala. Well, anyway, prior of joining the pageants when it comes to local or national, ano ba yung pinagkakaabalahan mo sa buhay?
I'm an engineer. I'm a licensed civil engineer. I'm a singer-songwriter, and I also help my family in our family businesses. So,
Wow.
aside from pageantry, I'm a woman who has a lot of things going on her plate. I'm also pursuing my master's degree in public resource management. In my last sem na, hopefully in November, I can take my comprehensive exam and then graduate.
Wow, bongga. So, ang galing-galing. How did you manage that? You're competing in the Miss Universe Philippines and as well
Mm-hmm.
as you're studying or you have your master's degree.
I think it just requires a lot of commitment and dedication and determination because whatever you want in life, as long as you put your heart into it, you are determined and you are committed to achieving those dreams and those goals, then even if it's tiring, even if you have a hectic schedule, even if it think like you have so many things on your plate,
Mm,
you're having fun, you're enjoying, and you love what you do because at the end of the day, everything will be worth it.
exactly. Well, anyway, talking to your Miss Universe Philippines journey, aside from, having sacrificed on your work as an engineer,
Mhm.
ano pa yung other na sacrifice mo with this competition?
I think that would be being away from my family.
Mhm.
This is the first time that I have left my family back in the
Mhm.
province and to be away with them for almost 3 months, four
Ah,
months. So it was hard, you know, being away. I wasn't able to spend more time with them, but it's part of the process in becoming the next Miss Universe Philippines.
wow, bongga. Love it. And of course, I guess this is the first time na may pinakamahaba journey sa Miss Universe Philippines. So, how did you feel about that nung nalaman mo na 3 months kang,
Actually, di ko na-feel na 3 months
Mhm.
na pala. Kasi kahit hindi lang ako, I think most of the candidates and if tanungin mo, hala, nag 3 months na pala, nag 4 months na pala. Kasi every day, we wake up at early in the morning and
Mhm.
then end kung anong oras na. And then we have trainings after that. So parang yung araw, mabilis lang siyang dumaan. Hindi na nga din namin alam kung anong araw ngayon. If
Mhm.
today is Monday, Tuesday, we don't know. Ang alam na lang namin, tomorrow ito ang susuot na dapat namin na styling.
Mhm.
Tomorrow ito ang shoot namin. Tomorrow ito ang call time namin. But anyways, aside from that, I had so much fun in getting to know the org, getting
Mhm.
to know my co-candidates as well.
And I guess this is not your first time to join the national pageants. So you've joined before.
I joined once before in
Mhm.
2019. It was Philippine Global Queens.
Mhm.
It was, I think, inaugural ata yung sinalihan ko nun kasi
Mhm.
parang hindi pa sila nagkasunod
All right.
after that
So
one.
what's the difference of about joining from the other national pageants?
It's different kasi nga 'di ba matagal ang
Uh,
Miss Universe Philippines. Parang 4 months, di ko in-expect na I'll be joining in a competition na maglalast talaga ng 4 months. But I'm just so grateful.
Ano yung pinaka-memorable mong activities dito sa Miss Universe Philippines?
Siguro yung tawanan namin with my
Mm.
co-candidates before and after the shoot. Tinatawanan namin kasi yung mga embarrassing moments namin during
Mhm.
shoot, during aurahan. Parang binabaklaan namin yung isa't isa.
And aside from that, sino naman yung naging close mo dito?
Madami. Isa na doon si Ate Chris, Stephanie Hanson,
Mhm.
Cebu. Si Naik, Mary Rose Kiral. Si Ate Vicky Mandawe, Victoria Leslie Ingram. Parang sila yung pinaka-close ko. Pero almost all of the girls are, I'm close with them.
Well, anyway, talking to your Miss Universe Philippines journey, of course, if you're going to describe in 2 words, what is it and why?
I think it's gonna be memorable and fulfilling.
Mhm.
Memorable because just like what I've said, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity. So I think every activity, every event, every places that I'll be going to, I'll cherish it for the rest of my life. And fulfilling because being a part of the Miss Universe Philippines, being a candidate itself is such a fulfilling dream for me. That's it.
All right. Thank you so much, dear, for sharing. And of course, I have prepared some flashcards.
Okay.
These flashcards contains personal questions only, so there's no pageant question.
Mhm.
So
Okay,
and
sure.
also there's no right or wrong.
Sure.
So you will pick
But I want to do this with a twist.
what?
When whatever card or question that I pick, you can share something from your experience as well. Why not, di ba? Para
Oh my
ibang ano,
God.
para
Okay.
ibang ano naman. Kasi dapat din natin makilala kung sino ba si J. Barbo ng
Oh my God,
pageant
biglang ano,
din.
di ba?
Di ba? There's a twist.
All right, sige, sige. Siyempre, ikaw muna mag-share.
Yeah,
and
ako
then
muna.
after. Okay.
Oh, di ba? This
So,
is a limited edition na Q&A session.
Pick one.
Okay. Di ako titingin. Kinakabahan din siya.
Ano ba yan? Bigla ako kinabahan, di ba?
Sabi ni Lord, ito daw. The question is, when do you become sentimental? I think for me, whenever I'll just base it towards my journey right now here in Miss Universe Philippines. I think I'm being sentimental when I'm being reminded that I'm far away from my family. Because as a family oriented person, I love spending time with my family, making memories with them, even just by we're just sitting in the sala set doing nothing, doing looking through our phone. It's I'm very happy with it, and I love my family. So I just cherish those small moments, and that I would tell my future family na ganito ang family ko, ganito kami mag-bonding. So I miss the bonding moments with my fam.
All right.
Okay, so the question is, ay hindi. Sige, why the question is, when do you become sentimental, Mr. J. Barbo?
Award, di ba? When do I become sentimental? Of course, being a gay, of course, nature na namin yun na to help, of course, our families, and of course, to help others, those who are in needs. Ayun, so, nagiging sentimental ako whenever I help my friends and of course, especially my family. Ayun.
Kasi sa tingin ko pag loved ones talaga natin pinag-uusapan, nagiging sentimental naman kasi talaga tayo.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Next. Ilang questions
ko dun, ha? But I feel like I'm also the candidate of Miss Universe
Okay,
Philippines.
so ilang questions ba to?
5 questions.
5
flashcards.
One. Next. Intelligence is, define intelligence is blank. I think the true meaning of, the true definition of intelligence is not just about sa education mo, sa mga narating mo. I think to be called as an intelligent person is knowing na kahit ano pa yung status mo sa buhay, you always keep your feet on the ground and you're using your knowledge and skills to contribute to the community, to your society, and sharing your knowledge with other people as well. For me, that's the true meaning of intelligence.
Well, for me naman,
Ay,
intelligence, of
automatic.
course.
Automatic.
Let's speak it in Tagalog.
Go! Di
Right.
ba?
Well,
Love
sa
our
pagiging
culture.
of course, if you are madiskarte sa buhay,
Yeah,
you can say
true.
that you're an intelligence person. Kasi 'di ba, it's real talk. Sa panahon ngayon, kailangan madiskarte tayo when it comes to survive our challenges in life,
Mhm.
ganon.
Kumbaga, hindi lang pagiging matalino,
Yeah,
dapat madiskarte din sa
exactly.
buhay. Love your answer. Third question. Third
May
card.
dalawa pa.
Ikaw nagsabi na
Sorry.
5 eh.
Go.
Ito daw. Describe yourself as a pupil student. Oh, I think nung nag-aaral ako, I was a musically inclined student and pupil. I started playing the guitar at the age of 6 or 7, I think. And that was the moment then I found out na I can actually sing. So, I'm a musically inclined student.
Well, sa akin naman, to share with that question, of course, being a pupil, ako kasi nung time na yun is mahilig akong magsulat. Kung ano yung nakikita ko, sinusulat ko, ganon. And I was dreaming about to become a teacher someday, mga ganon. But of course, hindi natuloy kasi
Iba yung binigay
yes,
sa'yo na
iba yung binigay
opportunity
sa akin
ni
na opportunity
Lord.
ni God.
Kasi
So,
alam niya na mag-excel ka dito.
exactly.
Everything happens for a reason.
True, I agree with that.
Yeah. So that was our third card. Fourth.
I feel like I feel like I have a butterfly in my stomach. Charas!
Okay, the fourth question is, how do you react to people who dislike you? Ako, I think, I just smile. Kasi, lahat naman ng tao may gusto at may ayaw. Parang, ako kasi I don't need to please everyone. I don't need to convince everyone to like me. I'll just continue to be who I am. I don't want to change the angel that you see right now only for you to like me. I'll just focus on my core, continue to be who I am talaga.
Well, sa akin naman, of course, naniwala ko sa adaptation. So, kumbaga, kung nasaan kang environment,
You need to
you
adapt.
need to adapt. Ganun ako. Kung hindi mo ko gusto, of course, di dead ma lang. Diba? Just being, just learn the art of deadma.
I think parang mafe-feel mo din kasi yung aura. If gusto ka ng tao, hindi. Pag nafe-feel ko na ganun, I just smile at them, treat them the way how I treat people as well. Pero not to the limit na parang pipilit ko yung sarili ko sa kanila. I just continue to do me.
Exactly.
Last
Ba
but
talaga?
not
Si
the
Angel.
least. Ta-na-na-na.
Buti na lang last na.
Ikaw nagpasalamat ha.
Challenge mo ako, Angel, ha?
Okay, so what are, final question, what are things that you would like to achieve in life? I think I just want to be successful, but at the same time contented with what I have. And I just want to be happy, to be contented with the decisions that I've made, to the path that I've gone through, I have went through, because parang at the end of the day, parang hindi naman magiging worth it yung achievements na na-achieve mo if hindi ka masaya.
True yan. Well, sa akin naman, I just want to achieve my goals na to have my own house. As of now, ha. Yun ang gusto kong ma-achieve. To have my own house. And of course, nagagawa ko naman yung bagay na yun with more diskarte and more
gusto ko yun, di ba?
more
We never know.
Yeah.
We never know. Baka next year may magbigay sa ng house and lot from Camellia
bongga, diba?
Homes.
Thank you so much.
Baka naman.
Baka naman. Alright, so
that's
nalaman
it.
na natin si Angel, and nalaman nyo rin kung sino ako.
Di ba? This is a limited edition na interview.
Ako,
kasi nabigla siya. Di niya kasi na-expect na iti-twist ko.
hindi unexpected to, guys. But bear with my answers, pero that
But
was honest,
from me, I have a question. How was the preliminary competition earlier, knowing na you were sa audience ba? Ikaw yung nakakita. Kasi ako, andun ako. Ako yung one of the
Mhm.
candidates. So I don't know how it felt like when you were watching the girls on stage.
Well, talking to the girls, of course, lahat naman magagaling and very competitive when it comes to their
Mm-hmm.
respective pakulo and
Mm-hmm.
pasabog.
Pasabog.
Ayun. So that's very exciting on our part as an audience and as a pageant media, of course. Well, overall, I'm just proud of all the girls who are, competed for these preliminary competitions. And I'm also looking forward for the finals night on May
Yes.
22nd, diba?
Yes. Diba? So I'm inviting you all to please watch and support not only me, but of course my co-candidates on our upcoming coronation night that would be held on May 22 in MOA Arena.
Ayan, bonggang-bongga. So, syempre may last question tayo,
Mm-hmm.
Angel, before we end this interview. Um, if you were going to evaluate your performance for the preliminary competition, you just rate from 1 to 10. Alin ka doon and bakit?
I'll give myself a good 8 because I think I've gave my 100% best. I've collaborated with different designers, making sure na Leyte will be well represented in the Miss Universe Philippines stage. But I know that there's still a lot of things that I need to improve, and I'm just hoping that when the coronation night comes, you will see an improvement on the segments that would be happening there.
Well, to be honest, I like your evening gown.
Thank
Bongga.
you.
Who's the designer of your evening gown? Evening gown.
It's Sir Leo Almudal.
Wow, kaya naman pala. Bonggang-bongga. And
Diba?
anong inspiration mo doon?
An inspiration ko, you know, I am a licensed civil engineer, so I decided to choose a gown that would reflect who I am. So it's a San Juanico Bridge
Wow.
inspired gown, knowing that I'm working at the DPWH under bridge section.
Mhm.
So yeah, San Juanico Bridge. And color pink because one of my favorite colors. And my winning color is pink.
Wow. Ever since nung Miss
When I
Universe
won
Philippines
Miss
later.
Universe Philippines Late, I was
Wow,
wearing a
bongga.
Leo Almudal gown as well, and it was color pink.
Ang galing. So, is this a sign?
Hopefully.
Let's pray for
Hopefully.
that, guys. And of course, support natin si Angel sa kanyang Miss Universe Philippines journey.
Mhm.
Ayan. And do you have any message to your fans and supporters and as well as to the persons behind your journey?
I think the message that nasasabihin ko lang is I'm just so grateful. I'm so thankful for the support that I've been getting from my DPWH family, from my church mates, from my family as well, my friends, my classmates, everyone na kahit hindi ko kilala na nagsusupport sa akin, to the whole Leyteños, the provincial government of Leyte, everyone na nagparamdam ng pagmamahal nila sa akin since day one, know that I'm very, very much grateful. I'm very honored to have your support. I'm so blessed to have you rallying at my back. You've made me so happy knowing the fact na I'm not alone in this journey, na I'm representing Leyte with not only myself but together with people who believes in me, who believes in my capability to represent Leyte well in the Miss Universe Philippines stage. So I'm just really grateful for all of your support. Right now we're coronation night is coming na, and we've been preparing for this for so many months, and I hope that everything's just going to be worth it.
So, ready na ba sa coronation night?
Yes, ready.
Wow,
Dapat
bongga.
ready.
Yes, always ready, diba?
Dapat ready.
And aside from that, of course, you mentioned that you are musically inclined
Mhm.
and as part of your talents, you sing and you have your own album, right?
I have may isa akong kanta na ni-release sa Spotify. It's a waray-waray song called Hingyap.
Can you give us a little bit sample of that? Siguro mga 2 lines or 1 line?
Waray-waray kasi song siya na nasulat ko way back in 2018. Na-release siya way back in 2018. I think I was around third year college.
Oh.
Parang Yung intro niya na tono na lang.
Mhm.
Ganun.
Ay, ang lamig. Bongga.
Anong oras na ba?
Oo. Napakatalentado pala ni ni Angel. And of
Thank
course,
you so much.
syempre, FYI guys in person kamukha niya talaga si Morissette Amon. Oo, very talaga.
Pink.
Especially, yes, especially na pag naka-smile siya guys. Oo.
Thank you, Ma. I'll take that as a compliment.
That's great, dear. And anyway, thank you so much for watching for this interview with our Miss Universe Philippines Leyte Angel Rose Campo Tambal. Ayan, so maraming salamat. And
Thank
don't
you.
forget
Thank you,
to
everyone.
follow her social media accounts.
Oh, I have a TikTok and Instagram account at engineer.angelrose. And on my Facebook account, you can just search me by my full name, Angel Rose Campo Tambal.
Ayan, and of course, don't forget to follow Pageant Trend and as well as subscribe us on our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.